Hi, this is Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel. For the weekend of May 18th, I wanted to come on here real quickly and do the video concerning my informal swatch along, our part 4. And this video, sorry, let me backtrack a little bit. The informal swatch along was that we were doing different segments in the Crocheter Skill Building Workshop book by Dora Ohrenstein. I'll have a link above that has the kickoff video talking about this whole informal swatch along. You can join at any time. You don't need to have the book. I've made it to where I revise certain things and you can do the different swatches without having the book. Please feel free to join at any time. It's a perfect scrap buster project. Again, it's geared kind of like towards growing our skills and learning and trying new things. The weeks before was like a hook size experiment one. Then there was going over different types of lace and how that changed depending what yarn and hooks you used. The previous one was about extended stitches, extended single crochet and extended double crochet and extended half double crochet. This one is actually about a loop stitch swatch, which is considered an advanced stitch. In the book, it's on page 71. I will actually provide a link up here, little information in the video that will have a link to a different YouTube content creator's video tutorial on how to do this stitch. I managed to do it, but I'm not going to go through the time of showing you how to do it. It's kind of a clumsy stitch to show, and I think they did a great job, so why reinvent the wheel? And yeah, so that's definitely under unusual stitches within the book on page 71. And I wanted to talk about the one I created, which just hid itself. Maybe I'm sitting on it again. Oh, yep, totally sitting on it. Nope, not sitting on it. Sorry. Almost sitting on it. Anyways, so this is what I made. Yes, it's weird. I think it looks better this way. So you see the loops, and they're created as you go. So, you know, they're not going anywhere if you pull on them. I think this would be a cool addition for like a border. Not on a kid's thing, but like for adult or something. Or maybe if you wanted to make like a shaggy rug. Or maybe if you wanted to make like a lion amigurumi. Or maybe a little wig for a doll. Or a little like hat. Also with this little one I made, I thought it would make really cool wristlet. Like a little bracelet. Like a little funky bracelet. Especially if it was like in neon colors. Or funky yarn, or glow-in-the-dark yarn, or velvety stuff, as long as it doesn't break up. So yeah, so this is the loop stitch. Very cool. Our next one will be the diamond grid knot stitch. I think sometimes they call it Solomon stitch. So look forward to me talking about that one in June. I'm thinking maybe the weekend of June 16th, possibly. And then the one following that is the linked stitches, linked double crochet and linked treble crochet and linked half double crochet. They make a nice closed pattern, very similar to like a Tunisian crochet. But definitely done as crochet style. So it's done with a regular hook, and that'll be kind of around the weekend of July 14th. So yeah, thanks so much you guys for stopping in and watching. If you like my content, please click like and subscribe. And thanks so much. And also I have a Facebook group for this channel. So if you would like to post, if you're actually participating in the informal swatch along and you'd like to post your project or your progress in there, please feel free to do so. I believe I have a link in the description box below to the group. If you're not able to get to it because it's set as private and all that, just send me an email or a message in Facebook, and I will try to get that handled for you and send you the link and the approval and all that stuff. So thanks so much. Bye. Have a great night or day.